Hi everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230RS, a lightweight dual-sport bike that's built for off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and fun trail bike that can also handle some street riding, the KLX 230RS might be the perfect choice. Stick around as we go over its specs, performance, features, and pricing to see if this bike is worth your money. Let's start with the heart of the KLX 230RS, the engine. This bike is powered by a 233 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine that delivers a solid mix of low-end torque and smooth power delivery. It's fuel-injected, which means you get better fuel efficiency and more consistent performance in different weather and altitude conditions. The engine is designed to be simple and easy to maintain, making it perfect for beginners and experienced riders who want a hassle-free machine. The 6-speed transmission allows for a good balance between off-road capability and street usability. The gearing is optimized for trail riding, so you'll get plenty of torque in lower gears for climbing hills and navigating rough terrain. At the same time, the top gear is tall enough to handle moderate highway speeds. It's not meant for long-distance highway cruising, but for short road sections between trails, it does the job well. Now, let's talk about the suspension and chassis, one of the key differences between the KLX 230RS and the standard KLX 230. The RS stands for reduced size, meaning this version has a slightly lower seat height and firmer suspension setup, making it more accessible for shorter riders and those who prefer a more planted feel on technical trails. The front suspension features 37mm telescopic forks with 220mm, 8.7 inches, of travel, while the rear has a unitrack monoshock with 223mm, 8.8 inches, of travel. These are designed to absorb bumps and handle rough off-road conditions while still providing a stable ride on paved roads. The suspension is non-adjustable, but Kawasaki has tuned it well for lightweight off-road adventures. The frame is a high-tensile steel perimeter design, keeping the bike lightweight and agile. It offers excellent stability and control, which is crucial for riding on dirt, gravel, and rocky terrain. The ground clearance is 270mm, 10.6 inches, meaning you can confidently ride over logs, rocks, and ruts without worrying about scraping the bottom. One of the best things about the KLX 230RS is its reliability and ease of maintenance. Since it's air-cooled, you don't have to worry about a radiator or coolant leaks. The engine is built to be tough and can handle abuse, making it a great choice for riders who want a low-maintenance trail bike. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230RS is priced at around $4,999 in the US and £4,899 in the UK. This makes it one of the most affordable full-size dual-sport bikes on the market. When compared to competitors like the Honda CRF 250F or Yamaha XT 250, the KLX 230RS offers great value for riders who want a simple, lightweight off-road machine without breaking the bank. So, who is this bike for? If you're a beginner looking to get into off-road riding, the KLX 230RS is a great entry-level option. If you're an experienced rider who wants a lightweight, no-fuss trail bike for weekend adventures, this bike will also serve you well. It's not the most powerful dual sport out there, but it's one of the easiest to ride and maintain. What do you think about the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230RS? Would you take it on the trails? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.